For the first part of the exercise 7, we have to assume that the random variable c has the following moment generating function: e to the lambda times e to the t minus 1, and we're asked to find the mean. In order to find the mean, we have to find the first derivative of the moment generating function evaluated in t equals 0. That translates into the derivative of the moment generating function evaluated in 0. And it's the mean, it's the derivative of the moment generating function, which is this, the one that we're given, and we have to evaluate it in 0. In order to find the derivative of this, we have to remember the derivative rule of e to the u. That's e to the u times u prime. So we can take u as lambda times e to the t minus 1. And we have to find the derivative of this as well. We have to remember that we can take lambda as a constant. So v, we will say v is t to the minus 1. The derivative of v would be 1. So u is lambda e to the v, which is this. And the derivative of u is lambda times e to the v times 1, which is this. So we find that u prime is lambda times e to the t minus 1. So the derivative of the moment generating function is e to the u, which is this, times u prime, which is this. So it's e to the lambda times e to the t minus 1 times lambda times e to the t minus 1. We have to remember the loss of exponents. So we end up with lambda times e to the lambda times e to the t minus 1 minus 1. This is the same as this. So the mean is the derivative of the moment generating function, which is this, evaluated in t equals 0. And that gives us lambda times e to the lambda times e to the 0 minus 1 minus 1. That's the same as lambda times e to the lambda times e to the minus 1 minus 1, and that is the mean of the moment generating function.